Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on a Casio World Time with model AE-1400 or module 3458. The first step is to put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week on the screen. Press and hold the adjust button for 2 seconds until the second starts blinking on the screen. Press the mode button one time and press on the forward button if you need to set Dst or Summer Time on or off depending on your time zone. Press the mode button again and now use the two buttons on the right side to choose your time zone or current city. If you don't know which one to choose, please leave a comment below and I will guide you. Once you choose the one, press the mode button one time and now again use the two buttons on the right side to choose the hour of your local time. Press the mode button again and now again use the two buttons on the right side to choose the minutes of your local time. Press the mode button again and now press on the forward button to choose either to display 12 hours or 24 hours on the screen display time. Press mode button and now use the two buttons on the right side to choose the year. Press the mode button and now you can use the two buttons on the right side to choose the month. Press the mode button again and now choose the date by pressing the two buttons on the right side. Press the mode two times and press on the adjust button to exit the settings. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.